Hello, I'm going to run you through our bock V2 bed. So as you can see, it has some nice wooden end boards on it, so it helps to provide that non-clinical look. You can get it in Oyster Line, which is this one that we have here, or dark oak as well. It can cater to quite a wide range of users with its new 165 kg user weight and its 200 kg safe working load. It is also offered in either super single, which is 110 centimetres, or the single size that we have here. This here is a full section electric bed with a slatted base, each slat having flexibility and movement to allow the mattress to contour to your customer's morphology. The handset is very easy to use, having just 6 buttons and a disabling key so that you can turn off the handset should you need to. This bed also comes with our renowned PostureTemp pressure relieving mattress. So the PostureTemp is a viscoelastic memory foam and it is temperature sensitive, so as it warms, it conforms to the user's body shape and allows them to sink into the mattress, increasing their surface area that is in contact with the mattress. This provides a greater comfort for the end user and also helps significantly with their pressure care by ensuring that more of their body is in contact with the mattress at all times. Thanks for listening. If you've got any questions or want to discuss options about this bed, feel free to get in touch with us. Thanks.